Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Deep Dive Knowledge. Hello. I'm really interested in learning more about how multi-modality AI can impact the manufacturing industry. Could you please tell me about the main findings and contributions of your report in this area?
Certainly. Our report on the impact of multi-modality AI in the manufacturing industry highlights several key findings and contributions. Firstly, we emphasize that multi-modality AI has the potential to revolutionize the manufacturing sector by transforming not only existing processes, but the very essence of manufacturing itself. This technology offers a new era of efficiency, innovation, and growth, where factories become smarter, products are improved, and work becomes safer and more sustainable. One of the major contributions of multi-modality AI in manufacturing is its ability to optimize operations, reduce waste, and enhance efficiency. By leveraging multiple modalities such as vision, language, and speech, AI models can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, enabling manufacturers to make more informed decisions and streamline their processes. This leads to improved productivity, reduced costs, and increased overall efficiency. Furthermore, multi-modality AI can also have a significant impact on sustainability in the manufacturing industry. With its ability to identify patterns, predict outcomes, and optimize resource utilization, this technology can help manufacturers reduce their carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. By minimizing waste and optimizing energy consumption, multi-modality AI can support the transition towards greener and more environmentally friendly manufacturing practices. Another important finding of our report is the economic benefits of implementing multi-modality AI in manufacturing. We estimate that this technology has the potential to generate $4.4 trillion for the world economy each year. By improving productivity, enabling better decision-making, and driving innovation, multi-modality AI can create new opportunities for growth and economic prosperity. Overall, our report highlights the transformative power of multi-modality AI in the manufacturing industry. It demonstrates that this technology is not just a trend, but a catalyst for a new era in production, where technology and human ingenuity merge to redefine what is possible. By embracing multi-modality AI, manufacturers have the opportunity to lead, innovate, and shape the future of manufacturing in the 21st century.
That's fascinating. It's clear that multi-modality AI has the potential to bring about significant changes in the manufacturing industry. I'm particularly interested in the economic benefits you mentioned. Could you provide more details on how multi-modality AI can generate such a substantial impact on the world economy?
Multi-modality AI has the potential to generate a significant economic impact on the world economy. In the manufacturing industry, according to the report, it is estimated that multi-modality AI will generate $4.4 trillion for the world economy every single year. This is a substantial amount that demonstrates the immense economic potential of implementing this technology in the manufacturing sector. There are several ways in which multi-modality AI can contribute to this economic impact. Firstly, by optimizing operations and enhancing efficiency, multi-modality AI can help manufacturers streamline their processes, reduce costs, and increase productivity. This can lead to significant savings and improved profitability for manufacturing companies. Secondly, multi-modality AI can enable manufacturers to make data-driven decisions and improve their overall performance. By analyzing vast amounts of data from various sources and modalities, AI models can identify patterns, trends, and insights that can help manufacturers make more informed decisions. This can result in better product design, improved quality control, and enhanced customer satisfaction, all of which can contribute to increased revenue and market competitiveness. Additionally, multi-modality AI can enable manufacturers to automate repetitive and labor-intensive tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. This can lead to increased productivity and innovation, as well as a safer working environment. Moreover, by reducing the reliance on human labor and optimizing processes, multi-modality AI can help manufacturers reduce costs and improve their bottom line. Furthermore, the integration of multi-modality AI in the manufacturing industry can also lead to the development of new products and services. By leveraging the power of AI and different modalities, manufacturers can create innovative and customized solutions for their customers, opening up new markets and revenue streams overall. The economic impact of multi-modality AI in the manufacturing industry is significant. It can drive productivity, reduce costs, improve decision-making, enhance innovation, and create new opportunities for growth. By embracing this technology, manufacturers can position themselves as leaders in their respective industries and contribute to the overall economic development of the world economy.
Thank you for providing such a comprehensive explanation of the economic impact of multimodality AI in manufacturing. It's clear that this technology has the potential to bring about significant cost savings, improve decision-making, and drive innovation in the industry. I'm curious to know more about the specific manufacturing use cases where multimodality AI can be applied. Could you please provide some examples?
Certainly. Multi-modality AI has the potential to revolutionize various aspects of manufacturing. Here are some specific use cases where multi-modality AI can be applied. 1. Quality control. Multi-modality AI can be used to improve quality control processes by integrating different data sources such as images, videos, and sensor data. By analyzing multiple modalities simultaneously, AI models can detect defects, anomalies, and variations in real time, ensuring that only high-quality products are released to the market. 2. Predictive maintenance. By combining data from various sensors, equipment logs, and maintenance records, multi-modality AI can predict equipment failures and maintenance needs in advance. This allows manufacturers to schedule maintenance activities proactively, minimizing downtime and reducing costs associated with unplanned breakdowns. 3. Supply chain optimization. Multi-modality AI can optimize supply chain operations by analyzing data from different sources, such as sales forecasts, inventory levels, transportation data, and market trends. AI models can help manufacturers make accurate demand predictions, optimize inventory levels, and streamline logistics, resulting in improved efficiency and reduced costs. 4. Process optimization. Multi-modality AI can optimize manufacturing processes by analyzing data from different sensors, cameras, and human-machine interfaces. AI models can identify bottlenecks, optimize production schedules, and provide real-time recommendations to improve efficiency and productivity on the shop floor. 5. Product design and development. Multi-modality AI can be used in product design and development stages to analyze customer feedback, market trends, and competitor data. By considering multiple modalities, AI models can generate insights, identify patterns, and make recommendations for product enhancements or new product development. These are just a few examples of how multi-modality AI can be applied in manufacturing. The ability to analyze and integrate data from multiple sources enables a more comprehensive and holistic approach to problem solving. leading to improved productivity, cost savings, and innovation in the manufacturing industry.
Thank you for providing those specific use cases for multi-modality AI in manufacturing. It's impressive to see the wide range of applications, from quality control and predictive maintenance to supply chain optimization and product design. I can see how multi-modality AI can truly transform the industry by leveraging various data sources and modalities to drive efficiency and innovation. In your opinion, what do you think is the most impactful use case of multi-modality AI in manufacturing?
In my opinion, one of the most impactful use cases of multi-modality AI in the manufacturing industry is predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance involves leveraging data from various sources, such as IoT sensors, equipment logs, and maintenance records, to predict when equipment is likely to fail or require maintenance. By incorporating multi-modality AI, which combines different modalities such as text, image, and audio, manufacturers can analyze a wide range of data types to detect patterns and anomalies that may indicate future equipment failures. This enables proactive maintenance planning, allowing manufacturers to address issues before they lead to costly breakdowns or disruptions in production. The benefits of predictive maintenance powered by multi-modality AI are significant. It can help manufacturers minimize downtime, reduce maintenance costs, and optimize equipment performance. By identifying potential issues in advance, manufacturers can schedule maintenance activities more efficiently, avoiding unnecessary maintenance and reducing the risk of unexpected failures. This leads to increased productivity, improved equipment longevity, and enhanced overall operational efficiency. Additionally, predictive maintenance with multi-modality AI can contribute to a more sustainable approach to manufacturing. By preventing equipment failures and optimizing maintenance practices, manufacturers can reduce waste, energy consumption, and their environmental footprint. This aligns with the growing focus on sustainability and helps create a more environmentally friendly manufacturing industry. Overall, the integration of multi-modality AI in predictive maintenance offers immense value to the manufacturing industry by enabling proactive decision-making, enhancing operational efficiency, and promoting sustainability. It is a prime example of how multi-modality AI can revolutionize manufacturing processes and drive positive change in the industry.
Thank you for sharing your insights on the most impactful use case of multi-modality AI in manufacturing. Predictive maintenance indeed seems to have significant benefits in terms of minimizing downtime, reducing costs, and promoting sustainability. It's fascinating to see how multi-modality AI can analyze diverse data types to predict equipment failures and optimize maintenance practices. This use case showcases the potential of multi-modality AI to transform manufacturing operations and improve overall efficiency.